Furnace control boards act as the system brain, taking low-voltage thermostat signals and sequencing ignition, blower, and fan speeds so homeowners can diagnose and replace thermostats with confidence. The control board receives the thermostat's low-voltage calls, heat, cool, fan, and translates those into timed outputs for inducer motors, gas valves, igniters, and blower relays. When replacing a thermostat, always measure voltage at the thermostat terminals on the board to confirm a stable 24-volt supply before connecting the new device. Check for proper common wire continuity and voltage under load. A board that shows 24 volts open circuit but collapses under load indicates a failing transformer or shorted output driver. Verify ignition sequencing by observing the board's status LED codes or by reading the service manual sequence table. A stalled inducer before ignition usually points to blocked venting, failing pressure switch, or a board that is not completing the safety loop. Use a multimeter set to low voltage DC where applicable and to AC for transformer outputs, and document terminal responses when you actuate thermostat calls. This creates a reliable reference if you must swap the board. When you replace the board, transfer one wire at a time and label both ends, confirming fan center tap and blower speed taps are matched to the original harness to prevent overcurrent on the motor. If the furnace had intermittent lockouts, enable the board's diagnostic logging if available or monitor flame sense current. Low microamp readings mean a dirty electrode or weak ground return. For compatibility, match control board, part numbers and firmware family, and check that the board supports modulating versus fixed throw sequencing and variable blower control profiles, so the new board will correctly implement the existing thermostat stages. One of the top 3 common mistakes is miswiring fan and blower speed terminals during thermostat replacement, which causes blower failure or overheating. Fix it by labeling each wire, consulting the original schematic, and verifying blower motor current draw against the nameplate. One of the most frequent issues is assuming a dead thermostat equals a bad control board, leading to unnecessary board swaps. Fix that by confirming 24-volt presence, testing the transformer under load, and isolating thermostat calls with a jumper to observe board response. One of the other recurring errors is ignoring flame sense and ignition sequencing diagnostics and replacing parts blindly. Fix this by performing a step-by-step ignition sequence test, measuring flame sense microamp, and cleaning or repositioning the flame rod before replacing boards or igniters. BigHomeProjects.com lists qualified HVAC professionals and control board specialists so homeowners can quickly find trusted local contractors for thermostat wiring or furnace control board replacement. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with homeowners, searching for skilled technicians experienced in control logic troubleshooting and system replacements.